case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 2002, the Supreme Court case Mickens v. Taylor breathed new life into the debate on attorney conflicts of interest and its impact on constitutional rights. At the heart of the case lay the notion that a conflict of interest could compromise an attorney's ability to represent their client effectively. But the defendant would have to prove that such harm did occur for the claim to stand. Mickens, sentenced to death in Virginia for murder, kicked off the controversy, arguing that his lawyer had a conflict of interest because of his prior representation of the murder victim. Though his habeas petition was initially denied by the Court of Appeals for the Fourth Circuit and en banc majority, the Supreme Court agreed to consider the matter. The core of Mickens' argument appeared in a bid for habeas corpus filed in 1998, 5 years after he was initially convicted of premeditated murder. Mickens contended that his attorney's past relationship with the victim amounted to ineffective counsel, something he became aware of during a procedural mistake where a clerk inadvertently passed the victim's file to federal habeas counsel. However, the Supreme Court upheld the ruling of the Court of Appeals, asserting the necessity of defendants proving actual conflict of interest and failing to find any adverse effect in Mickens' representation. The clarification of the Sullivan standard served to underline this criteria, whilst also providing heightened protections for a defendant's right to counsel. The decision fortified the ethos that a violation of ethical standards does not necessarily translate to a breach of constitutional rights, providing additional layers of complexity to the discussion on effective legal representation.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind, leave the stress of class.